Butter's story begins long before it reaches your table, starting in the lush rolling pastures of a dedicated dairy farm. Here, the rhythm of daily life is set by the gentle grazing of cows under the open sky, surrounded by fresh air and vibrant greenery. The health and happiness of these cows are the foundation of every quality product that leaves the farm. Farmers pay close attention to each animal, ensuring they are comfortable, well-fed and content because only healthy cows can produce the rich, flavorful milk needed for exceptional butter. Breeds like Jerseys are carefully chosen for their ability to produce milk with a naturally high butterfat content. This creamy golden milk is prized by buttermakers, as it's the key ingredient in creating a product with superior taste and texture. The cow's diet is meticulously planned and balanced. Farmers provide a mix of silage, hay and grains, adjusting the feed throughout the year to ensure the cows get all the nutrients they need. This careful attention not only boosts milk yield but also enhances the richness and quality of the milk. Regular veterinary checkups are a must. Farmers work closely with animal health experts to monitor the herd, prevent illness, and address any issues quickly. A healthy, stress-free cow is more likely to produce milk that meets the highest standards. When it's time for milking, the process is handled with precision and care. Modern equipment is thoroughly sterilized before each use, and the milking environment is kept spotless to ensure the milk remains pure and uncontaminated from the very start. Each batch of milk is carefully tested right on the farm. Farmers and technicians check for butterfat content, purity, and freshness, making sure only the best milk is selected for butter production. Only milk that meets strict quality standards is approved to move forward in the process. This commitment to excellence ensures that every batch of butter starts with the finest possible foundation. Behind every glass of milk and every pat of butter is the dedication of farmers who care deeply for their animals. Their early mornings and tireless efforts create an environment where cows thrive and produce their very best. Great butter begins with great milk, and that journey starts right here in the heart of the dairy farm, where tradition and innovation come together every single day. From pasture to pail, every detail matters. It's this careful attention from the grass the cows eat to the way the milk is handled that crafts the perfect foundation for the butter we all love. Once milk passes its first tests at the farm, it's swiftly loaded into specialized refrigerated tanker trucks. These trucks are designed to maintain a constant cool temperature, ensuring that the milk remains fresh and safe from the moment it leaves the farm. Workers carefully connect stainless steel hoses, making sure there's no contamination during transfer. Every step is monitored to guarantee the highest hygiene standards. These tankers keep milk cold and fresh as they travel from farm to factory, with routes carefully planned to minimize delays. The journey often takes the trucks through scenic rural landscapes, passing fields and small towns, but efficiency is always the priority. Drivers follow strict schedules and every minute counts to preserve the milk's quality. Real-time tracking and advanced logistics systems monitor each tanker's progress. In control rooms, teams use digital maps to track deliveries, rerouting trucks if there's traffic or unexpected delays. This technology ensures the milk arrives at the factory as quickly as possible, minimizing the time between collection and processing. At the factory, another round of rigorous testing awaits. Lab technicians check for any signs of contamination, measure the milk's temperature, and analyze its butterfat content. These tests are crucial, as even the smallest deviation can affect the final product's taste and texture. Only milk that meets the factory's high standards is accepted, anything less is rejected. Quality control inspectors review detailed test results, and any batch that doesn't meet strict criteria is separated and not used for butter production. This seamless chain of custody from farm to factory protects the milk's integrity. Workers document every delivery, ensuring traceability and accountability at every stage. The milk is then transferred into large, sanitized storage tanks, ready for the next step. Every minute and every degree matter in keeping the milk perfect for butter making. Temperature gauges and timers are constantly monitored, as even a slight change can impact freshness. Technology and strict quality control guarantee that only the best milk enters the production line. Automated systems provide real-time data, and skilled workers oversee every detail, combining tradition with innovation. The journey from farm to factory is a race against time, all to preserve freshness. Every second is vital, and the entire process is designed to move as quickly and efficiently as possible. This careful process ensures the raw ingredient is ready for its transformation into butter. By the time the milk reaches the factory's storage vats, it has been protected, tested, and tracked every step of the way, guaranteeing the highest quality for the butter-making process ahead. At the heart of the dairy factory, the journey of butter begins with a crucial process, separating cream from milk. This is achieved using high-speed centrifugal separators, large spinning machines that harness the power of physics to divide the rich golden cream from the lighter skimmed milk. The process is both efficient and precise, ensuring that every drop of cream is collected for the next stage. The cream, now isolated and brimming with butterfat, is carefully transferred into stainless steel containers. This rich cream is destined for butter making, while the skimmed milk is set aside for other dairy products. The separation is a delicate balance, as the quality of the cream at this stage will influence the final butter's taste and texture. Next, the cream undergoes pasteurization, a process where it is gently heated and then rapidly cooled. This step is vital, as it destroys harmful bacteria and extends the cream's shelf life, making it safe for consumption and ready for further processing. Pasteurization is not just about safety, it also preserves the cream's delicate flavor and ensures a consistent product. Technicians monitor the process closely, checking temperatures and timing to guarantee optimal results. After pasteurization, the cream is aged in chilled storage tanks. This cooling period allows fat crystals to form, which is essential for developing the smooth, luxurious texture that defines high-quality butter. The aging process can last from several hours to overnight, depending on the desired characteristics. For cultured butter, a special step is added. Live bacterial cultures are introduced to the cream. These cultures ferment the cream, creating a tangy, complex flavor profile that sets cultured butter apart from its sweet cream counterpart. Before the cream can be churned, technicians meticulously test its fat content. The cream is standardized to contain about 35 to 40% fat, ensuring the perfect balance for churning and a consistently rich butter. Only cream that meets these precise standards is approved to move forward. Any batch that falls short is reprocessed or used for other products, maintaining the highest quality for butter production. Each step in this process is about refining the cream, removing impurities, perfecting texture and enhancing flavor, to prepare it for the transformation into butter. Throughout, quality checks are performed at every stage. From equipment inspections to laboratory analysis, these checks ensure that only the best cream continues on its journey. Finally, the cream is poured into the industrial churn, ready for its dramatic transformation. This is where the magic of butter making truly begins. Precision and attention to detail at this stage set the foundation for the butter's final taste, aroma, and texture, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards. Churning is where the magic happens, turning liquid cream into solid butter. Industrial churns beat the cream, breaking fat globules free and causing them to clump together. The cream thickens, then separates into golden butter grains and liquid buttermilk. This is the pivotal transformation from cream to butter. The buttermilk is drained and often repurposed, while the butter grains are collected for further processing. Automated sensors monitor fat content, aiming for at least 80% butterfat. Consistency is key, with every batch carefully controlled for texture and richness. The churning process is the heart of butter making, blending tradition with modern efficiency. What emerges is a loose, granular butter, ready for refinement. This stage defines the butter's signature texture and quality. After churning, the butter grains are washed with cold water to remove residual buttermilk and improve shelf life. For salted butter, precise amounts of salt are added, not just for flavor, but as a natural preservative. Unsalted butter skips this step, catering to bakers and chefs who want full control. The butter is then kneaded in large machines which evenly distribute salt and moisture while squeezing out excess water. This process transforms the butter from crumbly grains to a smooth, spreadable mass. Continuous quality checks ensure the right balance of fat, moisture, and salt. Every adjustment is made for consistency and taste. The result is a refined, finished butter, ready for packaging. This stage perfects the butter's flavor texture and stability. Only after these steps is the butter ready for its final journey. Finished butter moves to automated packaging lines, where it's shaped, sliced, and wrapped with precision. Each block is enveloped in foil or parchment to protect against light and air, preserving flavor and freshness. Date stamps and best before labels are added for safety and transparency. Sophisticated sensors reject any damaged or underweight packages, ensuring only perfect products move forward. The wrapped butter is boxed, palletized, and prepared for shipment by robotic arms. Packaging is both protective and eye-catching, with branding and certifications displayed prominently. Automation minimizes human contact, boosting hygiene and efficiency. The packaging process is designed to keep butter fresh and appealing until it reaches the consumer. Once loaded onto pallets, the butter is ready to leave the factory for its final destination. Butter is stored in temperature-controlled warehouses before being dispatched to retailers. Advanced logistics software plans the fastest, most efficient routes for refrigerated trucks. Distribution networks span countries and continents, ensuring butter arrives fresh. At regional centers, butter is sorted and sent to stores in refrigerated vans. Supermarket staff quickly stock the dairy aisle, rotating products for maximum freshness. Every step, from warehouse to shelf, is a race against time to preserve quality. The cold chain is never broken, guaranteeing butter's taste and texture. The journey ends with a perfectly fresh block of butter ready for your table. Butter now comes in more varieties than ever before. Unsalted and salted butters remain staples, but cultured, grass-fed and organic options are on the rise. Cultured butter, with its tangy flavor, is made by fermenting cream before churning. Grass-fed butter boasts a deeper yellow hue and nuanced taste, thanks to cows' pasture diets. Organic butter appeals to those seeking natural, sustainable choices. Flavored butters, like garlic, herb, honey, or cinnamon, add excitement to meals and are increasingly popular. Clear labeling and certifications help consumers choose with confidence. The butter aisle is now a showcase of innovation and tradition. No matter your taste, there's a butter for every table and recipe. Butter's journey, from pasture to plate, is a blend of tradition, science, and care. Every step, from the farmer's field to the factory churn, is about preserving quality and flavor. Rigorous testing, precise processing, and careful packaging ensure a consistent, delicious product. Sophisticated logistics deliver butter fresh to stores, ready for your kitchen. Butter is more than a spread, it's a global staple connecting people and cultures. Its rich taste and versatility make it a beloved ingredient in countless recipes. The story of butter is one of dedication and craftsmanship. Each block is a testament to the journey and the joy of real food.